Audio Jungle.
So some of the key takeaways, if you look at the search engines, keep building out your search engines. That is incredibly important. That visibility, attractiveness, and trust are the center of both traditional SEO and the new generative search visibility. AI-driven search results are still a small part of the pie, but all that information feeds that you're doing feeds that search result on the AI results. A lot of consumers are going to that zero click. So the more information you can feed, the more likely you're going to get chosen if a customer doesn't have to click as much to find information about your business. AIs get their data from known sources. So Optima has the known sources that overlap with the AI results. Savvy business owners can get ahead now by consistent structured data, preparing the consistent structured data, authority, and trust signals, fresh content that AIs rely on to provide generative search results. And our program is really designed to help you with this. So when all of this started coming out with AI, I looked at my husband. He's a police officer, and I do what I do. And I'm like, we're pretty safe in our jobs because I don't think we're going to change too much of what you're doing as a police officer. And I know that AI is going to help a lot of business owners across the country with what we do with our services. So it's a piece that, isn't going to go away, and it's important to educate ourselves on it. The businesses that win, AI understands them. They clearly communicate who they are and what they do. AI trusts them. They have strong reviews, reputation, and consistency, and AI chooses them.